Ready? Start. A fearless judge is the bedrock of an independent judiciary, as much as an independent judiciary itself is the foundation on which rule of law rests. Stop. A judicial officer is tasked with the onerous duty of deciding cases. Stop. Invariably, one party to the case would lose and go back unhappy. Stop. Disgruntled elements amongst them, wanting to settle scores may raise frivolous allegations. Stop. The trial judiciary also has tremendous work pressure and works under trying working conditions. Stop. Large number of cases are listed in a day, and most of the judicial officers give their very best while discharging their duties. Stop. Para. Instances have also emerged from different parts of the country, where not just disgruntled parties but some mischievous elements in the bar have also resorted to intimidatory tactics against the members of the trial judiciary by engineering false and anonymous complaints. Stop. Strict and strong action in accordance with law should be taken against such individuals filing a false and frivolous complaint against a judicial officer and oblique or if found to be engineering the false and frivolous complaints. Stop. Para. Such proceedings would include in appropriate cases, proceedings for contempt of court. Stop. In case the person filing or engineering false and frivolous complaints in a recalcitrant member of the bar, apart from proceedings for contempt of court, reference to the bar council should be made for disciplinary action. Stop. Bar councils, on receipt of such references, have to dispose of the matter expeditiously. Stop. Para. Equally, if the complaint of misconduct against the judicial officer is prima facie found to be true, prompt action to initiate disciplinary proceeding should be taken and no leniency should be shown if the charges are established. Stop. Not only this, in appropriate cases where criminal prosecution is warranted against a judicial officer, the High Court should not hesitate to have the same initiated. Stop. That is the only way to weed out back sheeps slaying the fair name of the judiciary. Stop. Due care and caution must be exercised by the High Court in initiating such proceedings. Stop. It should be ensured that only because an order is wrong or there is an error of judgment, without anything more, a judicial officer is not put through the ordeal of a disciplinary proceeding or a prosecution. Stop. Para. Furthermore, one cannot overlook the reality of ours being a country, wherein countless complainants are readily available without hesitation to tarnish the image of the judiciary, often for mere pennies or even cheap momentary popularity